How is everyone doing today? Adam here from Dirty Paws Gold Adventures. So what I'm going to be doing today is going way up in the hills up there, up behind my house, and we're going to be looking for some awesome smoky quartz like these pieces right here. So let's go for a little trip in the old 1942 Ford and get some smoky quartz. So come along. Don't know if you guys can see it, but it's hailing out there right now. So Cougar and I are just waiting it out in the little cave. So I'm back at home. Here's Fiona right here. She's gonna help me clean some of these rocks. So here's some of the Smoky Quartz that I got up at the mine. What I'm gonna be doing today is first I'm gonna soak it for about half an hour in just some warm water, let the debris break off and stuff, give them a slight rinse, and then after that I'm gonna soak them in warm water with some iron out in it for about half an hour to remove some more of the stainings. Then after that I'll pull them out, scrub them a bit, throw them in some fresh water and let them soak in fresh water for about 24 hours just to make sure all of the iron out is removed. So yeah, let's get the hot water dumped in there. So I've had the quartz soaking in here for about half an hour or so. Got the different pieces in there. So what I'm gonna start doing now is taking them, scrubbing them off just in the clear water, no chemicals in there, and then gonna be transferring them over to some warmer water here, which they'll sit in there for a little bit till I'm ready to clean them with the iron out solution. So yeah, let's get to scrubbing some of these rocks. Oh my god, guys, this is crazy. I was cleaning the stones here, then all of a sudden I hear this buzzing noise, then I look up. I don't know if you guys see that. There's a whole freaking swarm of bees all around here. Holy cow. Why am I not getting stung? Thousands of honeybees. It's like a migration. This is crazy. I don't know if you guys can see it, but wow. Very interesting. I wonder what's happening. Huh. Really crazy. Probably looking for a new hive spot. Here's the pieces that I've soaked in the warm water, scrubbed most of the debris off of, and now have ready to run the iron out. So, first thing I'm gonna do get my goggles and gloves on. Gotta have the safety gear. So now I'm gonna take some of the iron out here. Sprinkle it throughout here. And then I have some warm water right here. I'm gonna be pouring on it. So we'll let this soak for about half an hour, then I'll pull the pieces, scrub them a little bit, let them soak for a little bit more after that, and after that I'll scrub them once again, then put them in a clear water solution overnight so that any of the leftover iron out on them dissipates and dilutes itself into the water. So I had the quartz soaking in the iron out for about half an hour. After that, I transferred it over to clear water, which I let the quartz soak in overnight. And after that, I pulled them out, scrubbed them, rinsed them once again. And so, yeah, this is what we were left with. If you guys enjoyed the video, please help my channel out by subscribing right down here, clicking that button. And if you guys want, I'll have another video link posted right up here. Hope everyone has a wonderful 2023 and happy prospecting.